show you how to play a fingerpicking pattern that's in the style of the classic song, Dust in the Wind. Let's do this. This fingerpicking pattern is a classic. It's considered a Travis picking pattern because it has this alternating bass note. We're going to break it down step by step. First, know that I'm playing a C chord, and I'm only going to stay with the 5 through the second strings. We're not going to hit the 6 or the 1. Now, first I'll play it for you, and then we'll break it down. So let's start by placing your right hand on the strings. We're going to put the thumb on the 5th string, the first finger on the 3rd string, and the second finger on the 2nd string. So here's a quick tip. Every time I say the 5 or 4, meaning the 5th or 4th strings, you're going to use your thumb. On the 3rd string, it's always going to be your 1st finger, and 2nd string, it's going to be your 2nd finger. So we'll start off with a pinch. That's where you press the thumb down on the 5th and the finger into your palm on the 2nd string. We'll say 5 and 2 together. Now the thumb goes to 4. First finger to 3. And then 5. Let's just do that much. We'll pinch, 4, 3, 5. Okay? Try it with me. Slow. Ready? Go. Pinch, 4, 3, 5. Okay, we're on the home stretch. Now we go 2, 4, and 3. That's 2 with the 2nd finger, 4 with the thumb, remember? And then 1st finger on the 3rd string. So the ending, go ahead and do it with me, is 2, 4, and 3. And then we start over. Let's do that strum together, nice and slow. I'm going to call out the strings. Start with a pinch. Ready, go. Pinch, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3, and again. Pinch, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. Now, one more tip. The pinch is going to be held twice as long as the rest of the note. So it's da, 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 da. Try that with me now. We're going to do it in time. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Again. Pinch, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. One more time. Pinch, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So faster, it's going to sound like this. Okay, so you get this is going to take some practice. This is important. Start very slow and pick it up little by little. When you get to a place, I'm going to show you an exercise now that is in the style of Dust in the Wind that you can add a few notes. Listen. Okay, we'll start off with a C chord, 1 pattern. Then take the 1st finger off, leaving the 2nd string open. Same exact pattern. Pinky down on 3rd fret, 2nd string. And 1st finger down. Again. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube list and leave me a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, learning guitar is a journey, not a destination. Let me know how I can best help you to love your guitar learning journey.